Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is December 30, 2020, and we are on our way to a summer house. We rented it for 3 days together with Martin's friend and his family. So doon kami papunta, and we are on our way to Lolland. That's like around 2 hours from here, so it's gonna be a long drive. And yeah, we got our things packed at the back. There's so much things in there, and in front of us, I will show you, is our friends, and they got their trailer also, because like we got everything for 3 days, including food, so we don't have to actually go out and buy things there
because it's Corona time.
Yeah, so that's why
we isolate ourselves.
Yeah, we will
with alcohol.
We will isolate ourselves.
Not the kind you rub in your hands.
So we will isolate ourselves for the next 3 days. So we're gonna be there today, that's December 30, and we're gonna be on our way home January 2. So that's 3 days.
And we're running on Filipino time.
Yeah, we're
2 to 3 hours late.
Yeah, it's also been not stressful, but it's like so much things just happen, packing all these things, making sure that we got everything we need, and it took so long. And right after that, we had to go to the grocery.
We got more for this 3 days than we do if we pack for Philippines.
Yeah, exactly. It feels like we're actually gonna go abroad, but no, it's just here in Denmark, 2 hours from here. Just gonna be driving, and it's raining also, and it's exciting. And it's actually my second time to have a little ferie in a summer house, because the first time it was with my mom-in-laws. Where was it though? Lolland area?
You've also been to Lolland, so it's wrong what you're saying.
Yeah.
Once again, are your facts wrong?
Whatever.
Get your facts straight, girl.
You're so annoying. But anyway, so I tried it before. Martin's mom rented a summer house. It was actually really nice and cozy. Also, the whole family were there, but it was like very long time ago, maybe 3-4 years ago. And then now we're gonna do it again with Martin's friends. So it's gonna be fine, and we have fireworks and firecrackers, and
there will be kids.
Yeah, there will be kids. So many kids. No, there's 2 kids. The other one is still a baby, and the other one is a toddler. So there will be a lot of running.
A teenager.
And then there's the teenager. The teenager, obviously, we don't have to look for him. We don't have to look after him because he can look after himself. But the 2 small babies, yeah. So anyway, that's it.
No. That's not it.
Why?
I will review this new Twix with salted caramel. I already had one, and it was good. I will actually say it's a little disappointed. It's not like the salted caramel is like really coming through. So it's like, it's a nice wrapper, but that's it. If you're expecting something really salty, you should not buy this one.
Okay.
Really.
Okay, bias.
That's it.
Outer space, and I was sprung out from the earth. We laid down face to face to witness our rebirth.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
No, I'm watching something else.
No, shut up, stop first with that. So anyway, right now guys, nasa office kami ng the one who will provide us the summer house, and we've been sitting here for half an hour, and sirado yung office nila. And then we called the woman, and the woman said she's gonna be here very soon, and that's been half an hour. My gosh, yung yung company na pinagkuhanan namin the company that we're renting the summer house, it's called Dance Center. Ang tagal guys, half an hour na kami nakaupo. Labas. it's 5:30.
I'm trying to hurry for you. The last one is kind of tricky.
There.
Name a mammal that lays eggs.
Wala pa rin, tumatawag sila.
I know, but I think you can get it. And I'll might yep, there is a mammal that.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is January 31.
And it's gonna be New Year soon.
Yeah. So anyway, nandito na kami sa summer house guys. We're inside our room. So this is the view outside our bed.
I spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift, directionless and wayward, lost like a swallow on a cliff. But slowly I found purpose and my life became more clear. I found my destination, yeah, but now where do I go from here? 'Cause I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I've got a wife, 2 kids, and a picket fence. Everything was hazy, now it's making sense. Alright, I made it, so now what? I paid my dues in factories, I worked until I bled. The suffering made me stronger, so I pushed to get ahead. And now I'm perched above the factory floor, looking down at my friends below. In my comfy car I drive away, but there is nowhere